Look at this crazy wallet. If you're dreaming of making a ton of money, just keep watching because I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to do it. I spent months grinding meme coin trades every single day, but I got fed up with the insane risks of dumping money into random coins. That's when I switched to this new strategy. Now I can flip $100 into $500 or even $1,000 in seconds, and I keep repeating the process. This is how I've been stacking cash so quickly. The secret is to stop trading meme coins and start making them. Everyone at the top is doing it, and we can't afford to miss out. It's time for us regular people to secure the bag. Usually, people tend to launch their coins on Pump.Fun, but take a look at this list. In just a couple of minutes, you'll see a ton of new coins. If you check out the Raydium DEX, you'll see market caps of 200K, 100K, 50K. You have to be making coins here. It's guaranteed to bring in more money. Now, how do you actually make coins on the Raydium DEX? Use a website called memefast.fun. Most sites that you guys have seen before are unlike this one. On this website, you can actually find coins that have a good project already lined up. So what we want to do here is just make sure that we click refresh. Before you do that, make sure you connect your wallet. I think it costs a little bit of a fee in order to actually create one of these coins, but you want to make sure that you find a good enough project. So here, I'm going to go ahead and cut to the part where I find a good enough project by refreshing. What we're actually doing here is finding coins that are at the top of Pump.Fun, meaning we're finding coins that are about to graduate, meaning we're finding coins that are already getting bought into, and we can copy and paste them. Instead of some of these other videos that show you that they just copy and paste a coin manually, we're actually just going to do it in one click. And as you can see, this one here looks very promising. AI projects, anything with AI and meme coins, just like in real life, are actually getting a lot of attention recently. And what clicking create a token here does is it allows you to copy and paste it. It also allows you to copy and paste the X website and the Telegram website for your specific token. So what we want to do now is, I think this is the one that we're going to go with, because again, if we search up Pump.Fun, we're going to find that there are a lot of different copycat coins since there are already people trying to capitalize off this. But the thing that they don't have is going to be the fact that, oh, actually this coin, nobody's copying it, and it's actually just released 4 minutes ago. You see, a lot of people are buying in already. It already hit King of the Hill. It's about to hit bonding curve. This is the right moment to do so. What we're going to do now is simply click create coin, and it's instantly going to create a coin for us. All we have to do is make sure we log into our Phantom. Remember, you guys have to be pretty quick when you do this. If you find a coin like I just found, this is literally once in a lifetime. This might actually make a crap ton of money. And you have to keep in mind that what we're going to do is actually all in this website, which is really, really cool. A lot of other websites require you to launch the coin yourself on the Raydium website. Here, you can actually create the liquidity pools. Right now, the token isn't actually tradable yet. What we have to do next is click Create Liquidity Pool. We have to make sure that we do 900 million so people can trade the rest of the 1 billion total supply. Right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit, I'm just going to put 0.5 solana in it, and we're going to click Create Pool. Okay, what this is going to do is it's going to make it instantly tradable on the Raydium DEX, meaning people are going to think that this coin already graduated and already hit bonding curve, and it's going to show up on DEX Screener. Okay, if you guys don't know what DEX Screener is, it's this platform over here. If we click over here again, you guys are going to see that when a token graduates from Pump.Fun, it goes from here to here. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to catch it before. Right now, as you can see, it's about to hit it. So I need to launch really quick. We're going to hit it before, and we're going to launch straight on DEX Screener. So all we have to do now is click Create Pool, give it a couple of seconds. You have to make sure that you confirm the transaction, confirm it. There we go. There we go. We've officially launched. If we click View on Photon, this coin is actually instantly tradable. Right, so we do have to give it a little bit of time, but this is the coin that we just made right here. Here, as you can see, we started here. Some people have already bought, some people have already sold, but it's because we copied a good narrative for the coin. As you can see, if you go back here, you can start to see your profit and loss already, which is really, really amazing. Back to Meme Fast. The cool part is it shows us the liquidity pool. We have already shared this on Telegram and across all social platforms. Now you can start seeing your profit and loss here in real time. As you can see here, we're just going to wait a little bit for people to buy in. Remember, we started here. This is the current market cap of the coin, and all we have to do is just sit and wait for buyers. As you can see here, we have our first buyer. The coin actually went up quite a bit. If we go ahead and refresh over here, it should show us an updated list of the profit we've made so far. There we go. As you guys can see, using this copy token feature is actually game changing because it automatically copies the websites, right? All we have to do now is sit and wait for the coin to pump. Okay, huge candle, it's pumping. Let's go, guys. Let's actually go ahead and refresh here on Meme Fast. It's going to show us the profit that we're at. We're currently at $125 in profit. That's actually freaking insane. I'm not going to go ahead and rug it just yet because it is doing well. Remember, guys, we found a good narrative. We used the copy feature here on Meme Fast itself, so it's a really, really, really good feature. Yo! Okay, getting major buyers at the time. Okay, guys, we're at 1,000 in liquidity. Let's go ahead and refresh Meme Fast, see where we're at. Yo, guys, we're at $471 in profit. Let's go. We're at $600 profit. It's time. What we're going to do is basically just click 100% right here. We're going to click remove liquidity. It's going to take us to Phantom. We're just going to click confirm. We're going to click yes here. Click yes, confirm. And what it's going to do is it's going to remove the liquidity successfully. Let's go. This is a new method that is completely untapped. I don't know how long this is going to last. If you guys need access to this website, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down below. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and join the Telegram down below to figure this stuff out, and let me help you figure it out on your own. All right, guys, God bless.